This could be you this summer. Or you could be rubbing elbows with prominent leaders in the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. Let's rewind for a second. For over 50 years, we have been turning students into courageous leaders during our 8-week summer program. It's got 4 main pillars: live, learn, intern, and connect. Summer housing stress? No thank you. All students live on George Washington's campus, right in the heart of the city. Knowledge is key, right? So learn the economic way of thinking and earn credits from the world-renowned George Mason University. On the couch all summer? Change your plans. Intern and get hands-on experience with prestigious organizations while making an impact. It's not just about networking. This summer, connect with DC's top professionals and truly make those connections count. Ready for a transformative summer? Head to dcinternships.org and dive into a world of opportunities in the nation's capital.